About the E-2 visa. The E-2 visa is a non-immigrant, temporary work visa that allows foreign entrepreneurs from qualified treaty countries to invest in and develop a business in the United States. E-2 visa applicants have the choice to buy an existing business or start a new venture. An E-2 visa is valid for up to 5 years and can be renewed an unlimited number of times as long as the applicant continues to operate his or her business. An E-2 applicant and his or her family can remain in the United States as long as E-2 status continues to be renewed. E-2 visa requirements. There are several statutory requirements for obtaining an E-2 visa. First, the applicant must be a citizen of a designated treaty country with the U.S. Treaty countries include Canada, Taiwan, Mexico, Pakistan, Grenada, South Korea, Turkey, Ukraine, and the United Kingdom, among many others. Second, the applicant's investment must be substantial. Most E-2 investments are at least $200,000, often more. If the applicant plans to purchase a business, the investment amount will be the purchase price of the business. If the applicant is starting a new business, the investment amount will depend on the size and type of the enterprise. Third, the investment must be non-marginal. A non-marginal business is one that will return more than enough income to support the applicant's family and will contribute to the economy and create or maintain local jobs. Fourth, the investment must be real and active. Passive investments, such as real estate ownership, do not qualify for the E-2 visa. Fifth, the applicant must direct or develop the enterprise. This means that the applicant must have a controlling interest in the business of at least 50%. Sixth, the applicant must be invested in or actively in the process of investing in the business. Finally, the funds must belong to the applicant and their legal source must be documented. E-2 visa process. The first step in the E-2 process is for the applicant to decide what type of business to purchase or start. Second, the applicant should hire an E-2 visa consultant service to provide a coordinated system of professionals, including an immigration attorney. Third, the applicant should set up the business or, if purchasing a business, conduct due diligence. The applicant must choose a name for the business and establish a U.S. company and bank account. The applicant must also obtain a Federal Employer Identification Number, FEIN. If the applicant is starting a business, he or she must invest all the funds necessary to launch the enterprise. If the applicant is buying a business, he or she must purchase the business. Fourth, the applicant must develop a comprehensive business plan with 5-year financial projections. The business plan is a very important element of the E-2 visa application. The applicant will then work with the E-2 visa consultant and immigration attorney to prepare all necessary documents and forms for the E-2 visa application. Next, the application will be filed. If the applicant is inside the United States, he or she may file the application with United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. If the applicant is outside the United States, he or she will file with the U.S. consulate or embassy in his or her country of residency or nationality. Finally, the applicant and family members must attend a consular interview. The visa will then be approved, or the applicant will receive a request for further information. The average processing time for an E-2 application is 3 months. An additional premium of $1,225 paid to INS speeds up the application process to within 15 days of filing. The visa is typically received 2 weeks after approval. Advantages of the E-2 visa program. The E-2 visa program offers numerous advantages to foreign nationals seeking to reside and to work in the United States. The application includes the applicant's spouse and children under the age of 21. The applicant's spouse can seek work authorization in the United States, and his or her children can attend public schools at no additional cost. An unlimited number of E-2 visas are available. There is no quota or cap. Unlike green card holders, E-2 visa holders are not subject to U.S. income tax on worldwide income because the E-2 visa is a work visa, not permanent residence. Any kind of business may qualify as an E-2 visa enterprise, and no minimum investment is required as long as the investment is substantial. Investment funds may be gifted to the applicant as long as the source of the gift is documented. An E-2 visa holder can potentially obtain a green card by making an additional investment and applying for a change of status from E-2 to EB-5. The E-2 visa provides entry to the United States without immigrating for the applicant, spouse, and children, providing opportunity and an improved quality of life for his or her family.